Thanks to the ISP fund, we were able to bring Patrick Green back to campus. He worked with our parents and helped to empower them in making good decisions in their own home about technology, educated our students so they know how to use technology in healthy and beneficial ways, and educated our adults, the teachers, so that they know how to manage technology in their own classrooms.
I absolutely love doing this work with parents around screen time and digital wellness. How do we get our kids to be healthy and responsible users of technology? And so I'm just so thankful for all the learning I get to do when I'm helping parents with their parenting struggles. So thank you.